looking through the truck and we found something cool. Nice. It's one piece.
You know why it's cut out, right?
For this?
Yeah.
No, tell me. Oh,
Air cleaner.
yeah.
Air filter right there, yeah. Yeah,
Nice.
that's what I was looking for, where to spray it.
Yeah, so we're talking about what we're gonna do with this, and I went into the sleeper. I'm gonna give you the door. Hold on. Alright, so the door is so heavy, it's crazy. For sure. But let's take it outside. Something I always wanted to read. I think you're gonna like this.
What the
we can't show it because it's YouTube. Let me tell you, there was a girl that was being interviewed with a big microphone. The only thing is here, like these, that's all good, but there's panels coming off.
Everything else was good.
Yeah, there's nothing. It's just a panel right there, and then I mean, it's good enough. I don't want to have a big sleeper for now. It's gonna be our next project. It's gonna be a big RV type semi, but we should definitely clean this thing.
Definitely put a CB in here.
Hell yeah! This is all right here. Look, for CB right here. This thing.
Yep.
Or you can do it on top. You get the radio.
Radio.
Look, that's Sanyo. Yeah, that's awesome. Pattern. Oh, 13 speed. Such a cool.
What year's that inspection from? That's what is it? 91? Yeah.
91. Yeah. Inspector's name Stanley. Stanley, if you're watching this, you got your truck that you were inspecting. It's crazy that the inspection sheets.
Hell yeah! It is still
the
clear,
same.
Yeah.
But it was crazy. What else? Wipers. We're gonna keep all of it. I want to keep everything, and just maybe redo the panels, even though they're, we don't have to. They're solid as hell.
Where the fuse is at? Probably behind that panel, or that's probably the access to the doghouse.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't look at for the panels, but if you actually look at the design of this and like the Scout or like the cab over Transtar, they all had those, like that type
the dash itself right here.
Yeah, that's crazy,
right?
Man.
Yeah.
Nice, very nice. All the pedals are gonna get restored and cleaned, and yeah. Let me see if I can stand up. No. Oh, beautiful. Oh.
This isn't bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
The nuts are just popped off. They're threaded, so it's a rivet.
We can probably get on the inside somehow.
Yeah, and put something in there.
Well, we're gonna rip this all this stuff out, so.
Look at
There you
that.
go. Nice. With the red, orange, shaggy carpet. Right, that's the inside. We're gonna definitely do a more detailed plan of what we're gonna do with this. I have it in my head already, but
One less chamber to worry about. It has a brand new one. So.
really, well, we're gonna have to
has no pads on there.
A lot of the
No shoes. No shoes.
yeah, we use those, or maybe rebuild it for discs. I was waiting for your reaction. I was waiting for your face. Yeah, but I mean, obviously, everything's gonna get swapped out, and whatever we can keep, we'll keep. We're gonna do a video of you like inspecting it. I wanna.
Yeah, definitely some suspension work going on right there. You see
Yeah,
that?
yeah. Oh, you think that's that's broken?
I don't get it. We gotta ask the guy that DOT'd it.
Yeah. Well, how Stanley? How did you DOT it, man? That's not DOT.
What? That'd be what? 20 years ago?
Almost.
Almost next year.
No. 30.
No, that was
1991.
Oh yeah, no shit.
That's 30 years ago. Beautiful. It fits perfectly with the green on green on green.
Oh yeah.
It's funny, it's like we're kids at a toy store. But it's gonna be such a fun project.
Don't forget your owner's manual.
Yeah, it's the how to interview people. Okay guys, we'll keep you posted, and definitely now, since we have it inside, we're gonna keep shooting every time we have something to do, or we're locked down, or the Chicago is on a lockdown. We're gonna
Starts tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow afternoon, yeah. We're gonna keep shooting. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon.